Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode of linear equations in two variable, we are going to see one more question on word problems. In this series, daily we are solving one question of word problems from the linear equations in two variables chapter number 3. Up till now we have uploaded 11 parts, and the links of all that 11 parts will be provided into the description box. I request you to go through all these 11 parts so that you will get well acquainted with the all different types of the word problems. So here is the question on the screen, that in a deer park the number of heads and the number of legs of deer and human visitors were counted, and it was found that there were 39 heads and 132 legs. Find the number of deer and human visitors. Friends, in a deer park, the visitors' heads and the deer's heads were counted, and the visitors' legs and the deer's legs were counted, and it was found that the total heads were 39 and the total legs were 132, and we have to find the number of deers and the number of human visitors. So friends, here we will assume that number of human is equal to x, number of humans, that is equal to x, and the number of deers, that is y. And since the number of heads are 39, we know that a human being has one head and a deer also has one head, and total heads are 39. So the number of humans plus number of deers, it means one head of each human and one head of each deer, that together will be the 39 heads. Therefore, by case 1, we get x plus y is equal to 39, because there will be x heads of humans and y heads of deers. Now it is said that there are 132 legs. A human has two legs, and deer has 4 legs. There are x humans, so the total legs will be 2x, and there are 4 legs of deers and total number of deers are y, and therefore total legs of deers will be 4y, and this together is given as 132. So by case 2 we get the equation that 2x plus 4y, that is equal to 39. Sorry, not 39, but it will be total legs are 132, and so total legs will be 132. Now here 2 will be the common factor, so divide by 2 throughout the equation. So this will be x plus 2y, which is equal to 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12. So let this be equation number 2, and this is the equation number 1. Now we will solve equation number 1 and 2 simultaneously. So here x is there and x is there. So if you subtract these two equations, the x will get eliminated and you will get the equation value of y. So subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, we get, so that we will get x will get eliminated, the signs will change. So y minus 2y, that will be minus y, which is equal to 39 minus 66, and that is minus 27, and therefore y is equal to 27. So you have got the value of y. So highlight this because the first important step where marks will be allotted. Now here you have got the value of y as 29. Put this value of y in equation number 1 to get the value of x. So put in equation 1. So we will get the value of y is 27. So x plus 27 which is equal to 39, and therefore take 27 to the other side and you will get it as x is equal to 39 minus 27, and 39 minus 27, that will be 12. So you have got the value of x. Highlight this step also. And what is x? X is the number of human. So here at the end write the number of humans that is equal to 12, and number of deers which is equal to, that is 27. And so friends, here we can solve such type of questions this way. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.